Welcome to another video from Mastery Tutoring. We are bridging the gap. Today we're going to be talking about linear functions, which are also known as straight line functions. So we are required to sketch the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 4. Before we draw these graphs, I want us to look at the general formula or the general form of a straight line or of a linear function. So linear functions or straight lines are known to have the general formula, which is y is equal to mx plus c, where we know that m is the slope and then c is the y-intercept. So now we are going to solve this question here using the dual intercept method. So when you're using the dual intercept method, you need to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So you say y-intercept, so this int stands for intercept. So y-intercept, you let x to be equal to 0. This simply means that where there's x in this function, we're going to substitute a 0. Doing so, we are going to have y is equal to m0 plus c. Now we know that if you multiply any number by 0, you're going to get a 0. Therefore, this is going to be y is equal to 0 plus c. 0 plus c is the same as c. After doing this, we go and find the x-intercept. So you say x int, which stands for intercept. For this one, you let y to be equal to 0. So you're actually doing the opposite here. For the y-intercept, you let x to be 0, meaning that where there's x here, we're going to substitute a 0. Now for the x-intercept, you let y to be 0. So meaning that where there's y here, we're going to substitute a 0. Therefore, this is going to look like 0 is equals to mx plus c. And then from here, you simply solve for x. Now let us solve this question here. We're going to start with the y-intercept. We let x to be equal to 0. So now this is going to be equal to y is equal to 2 times 0 minus 4. This is going to be the same as 2, 0 minus 4, because if you multiply 2 with 0, you get a 0. 0 minus 4, it's minus 4. So the answer is going to be y minus 4. So because we got this minus 4 when x is 0, we know that the coordinates of a point are in terms of x and y. Therefore, we're going to call this point point A. And the coordinates are going to be 0 because when x is 0, y is equal to 4. So it's going to be 0 and minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4. Not 4, but minus 4. Now we go and find the x-intercept. X-int, you let y to be 0. Just like we did here, when we're looking for the x-intercept, you let y to be equal to 0. Therefore, we are going to have 0 is equal to 2x minus 4. Now we're going to solve for x, meaning that we're going to take this 2x to the left side. Therefore, it's going to become a negative 2x is equals to minus 4. And then we divide by negative 2 both sides. And when you do so, the negative 2's will cancel. And then the answer here is going to be just 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2 when y is equals to 0. We're going to call this our point B, where x is 2 when y is 0. Now we're going to plot this on a Cartesian plane. As we know that when x is 0, y is minus 4. So we find minus 4 for y along this straight line here. So the point is going to be this one because x is 0 here and then y is negative 4. And then this point here, when x is 2, y is 0, is this point here. So therefore we're going to mark this point, and then the next thing that we're going to do is to join these 2 points with a straight line. We join these 2 points with a straight line because remember, this is a straight line function or a linear function. Therefore, when we do so, we are going to have a straight line that will pass through these 2 points, and then you have to put the arrow showing that the function is increasing. So this is y is equals to 2x minus 4. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. And if you have any comment, please leave it here. If there's anything that you don't understand, whether it's on this video or it's on something that you're learning from your school, from your homework, from your friends, whatever, just leave a comment here send me the question, we'll have a look at it. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe so you can see more videos that are similar to this one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.